Sup gamers, or welcome gamers. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you the talent. And we're also going to be doing something else that's very entertaining. So I have this car right here. It's for the. I had a toy monster truck. I don't know where it's at, however. But we're gonna snap this together. Because yes. I will be doing the Roblox gameplay soon, but with NPCs are becoming smart. But yeah, look at that. All right, I'm gonna have to go get something. This is a car, and this. Oh, I got it. Is a fake car, and this is a fake car. So, cameraman, if you could get the angle over down at the couch.
Hold on.
Oh, okay. Oh. Looks like I gotta do it the stylish way. Put music on that.
Got anything else to say?
Thanks. I gotta go get the sponsor of the video. I would ask for help, but you guys aren't actually here. You're just watching a video. Today's sponsor of the video is Clear American. So get that over there. Clear American is caffeine with zero fat. It's water. Yeah. I'm gonna go open this up. Yeah, but thanks for watching, gamers. Bye. Bye, gamers.